Hi, in this video, we will discuss how to publish a Flutter package. We will use the pub command line tool to publish the package to the Dart pub repository. To get started, we need to create a new pubsec.yaml file in the root directory of our Flutter project. This file will contain the information about our package, such as its name, version, and dependencies. The following is an example of a pubsec.yaml file. As you can see here, the name of the package is my package. The version listed here is 1.0.0. There's a certain description, and then we have dependencies like Flutter 2.0.0. Once we have created the pubsec.yaml file, we need to run the pub command line tool to publish the package. This can be done by running the following command, which is pub publish. This command will publish the package to the Dart repository. It will also create a new pubsec.yaml file in the .pub directory of our Flutter project. This file will contain the information about our package, such as its name, version, and dependencies. The following is an example of a pubsec.yaml file in the .pub directory of our Flutter project. We have the package name, version, description, and the dependencies listed here. Now, we can use a package in a Flutter project. We can do this by adding the following code to the main.dart file. All we have to do is import the package named my package that we have published earlier. This code will import our package and use it in our Flutter project. That's it. We have successfully published a Flutter package.